Hey, what's going on? It's Kai here. So in this video, I want to demo how you can build your own webinars inside Clickfunnels. So the way you go about that is you go to Add New. Then you can choose from Classic Funnel Builder, or if you want to use some done for you template, you can feel free to choose the cookbook yourself. But in this video, I want to show you using the Classic Funnel Builder. So we click on the Create New Funnel. Then we choose the host webinar. Then you can choose to either to use live webinar, or this one is called webinar replay. It's actually just a recorded evergreen webinar. So in this demo, we just use this one. So I click on the button. Then we can show a name. Then we click on Build Funnel. So the first thing you want to do is you want to choose the pages for each of your steps. So this you have to choose pages for your webinar registration and the countdown and the broadcast room and the replay room. So you just choose the template from whatever you like. So maybe we choose this one. Then we go to next one. So right now I just choose a random template, but you can still use their done for you template, and which is in the cookbook. It may be easier for you, but it actually gives you less flexibility. So it depends on how do you want to how much you want to customize it yourself. So right now we have done choosing like 4 of each steps. So the way we're going to go about that is we want to go to the edit page and we want to customize each of them. So this part is pretty much the same as the way as our previous video. You just change the text here, you can change the color here, and you can change the image here as well. But there's one thing I think that's really fun for webinar funnel is actually you can change the time here. So the way you go about that is you go to the setting and you go to webinar setting. So you can choose the time it displayed. So maybe you can show like the webinar will host every 10 minutes or every 15 minutes. So after you save that, the time showing the timer will be different. So after that, you can sign up for the webinar and you will be brought to the waiting room. So there will be a demo video like talking about, hey, thank you for joining the webinar, and there will be a waiting room for you. So you will not be able to enter the broadcast room until the countdown timer reaches 0. So yeah, so this funnel make it realistic, even though the video are still recorded, but people will feel they actually attend a live webinar. So, and you can actually set up the automation so they will send the reminder to attend the webinar to your subscriber as well. So that's pretty powerful. And it's the same for the broadcast room. You just go there and you just change the setting. So you can embed like YouTube video, or you can use like a Vimeo or HTML5 or anything. And you can put an order button below the video. So after they watch the video, if they want to buy anything, they can click here to buy. And you can actually make this area like hidden until a certain amount of time, so that they will not see the offer until the time is up. So you can go to advanced and go to animation and go to maybe fitting, and you can set maybe 10 minutes. So this part will remain hidden until 10 minutes, until the audience watch your video for 10 minutes. So that's pretty powerful for people to get like to keep them from get distracted from your offer. So that's it, and that's pretty easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you soon in this one.